Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube link on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Select the Add YouTube option. Tap on the account from which you have logged in into your YouTube account. You can see that your YouTube link has now been added on TikTok. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.